quick demonstration of a twitch up type snare. Obviously this has been put in wood, it's just easier and simpler to do this indoors when I can, but this can all be replicated outside. So this, I've used a ground up saw blade here. This would be a bent stick or a bendy stick pushed into the ground, and in this piece is another bendy stick which has been bent over and stabbed into the ground. So what you've got, like I said, is a stick at the back, a stick at the front, and you have one more stick, your snare wire or string tied onto the bendy stick. That comes down to another stick, and then of the same string I've then got a small snare. So you pull that down, put that underneath there. I'll do a close up in a minute. You tie your bait to this one. Well, actually, there's a couple of ways you could do this. I'll explain. So this stick gets propped underneath that one. Right, now, so you could build things at the sides here and have the bait at the back, hoping the animal pushes past the stick, or tie the bait to the stick and then it has to touch it to get the bait, and then it'll go off. I'll do a close up in a second. Your bendy stick, your string down to that stick being propped up by the other stick. If you can get your snare to sit back better, you can do that by, you know, little twigs and things. And this snare is pretty much the same size as the opening. You don't want to put your horizontal stick too far back, because otherwise, if it's mostly in there, for example if it's a squirrel or something, only its tail is sticking out of it, so it's got to be quite close to be able to work.